Hi everyone, welcome to WP Brim. In this video training, I'll be showing you how to create a full width slider using Divi theme. Here is the demo slider I'm going to show you. And in this slider, I have used a background image on a slide and overlay text. And next slide, I used gradient color for the background and added image. And third slide, I used video background. So I think this video will be helpful for you to learn how to create slider with Divi theme. Here goes the Divi theme website. If you don't have the Divi theme, you can purchase through the link in the description. Well, here I'm on the dashboard and I have installed the Divi theme. Here it is. Okay, now from the pages, I'm just going to create a new page and I'm going to name it slider. And if you have classic editor installed, then you will see this interface. From the right side, page layout, no sidebar. Okay, and hit publish. Okay, let's see the page. Here it is. It has the footer and nav bar. Here I don't have this, so what I'll do, I'll just go to the page template to blank page. Okay, hit update. Now I'm going to use Divi builder and it will show up three options. I'll start with this section, start building. Okay, and build on the front end. Okay, here it is. It shows this pop-up, but I'm just going to close it. Okay, I'm just going to click on this plus sign to add new section. I'll choose with full width and scroll down. You will find full width slider. Just click on it. Now I can delete the default section. Now here exists only the slider, and here goes the full width slider setting panel. I'm just going to click on it. Okay, and it is stuck here. Okay, hit save changes button. Again, you can access this if you want. Just click on this gear icon and it shows module settings, and here it is. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to build the slider from the scratch. So hit add new slide button. Here you can see, and it shows up the first slide, and I will build, what should I see, this one firstly. Okay, the content is, your title goes here and content. Okay, so firstly I'm just going to add the background image. Here it is, and this tab image and add background image. I'm just going to choose the file, and here it is, this image. Upload an image, and here you can see, but you can see overlay color. So what I'll do, I'll go to the design section, and here you see the overlay, and use overlay, and color will be black. I'm just going to make it a bit transparent. Okay, look like same, and use text overlay. Okay, use text overlay, and overlay color will be red, and I'm just going to make it transparent. I'm going to make it transparent so you can see the background through the color. And what I'll do, I'll just style the text and style the button. If you want, you can change the text here. My business slogan, get the best solution. Okay, here it is, and I'm just going to scroll down under the design and you will see title text, and here we will change the font family. I'm just going to choose Montserrat. Here it is, and regular, it should be bold, a bit bold and left aligned. Okay, and color is white, and font size is 46. You can increase or decrease whatever, and line height will be 1 em, or you can make it 2 em. Okay, I think 1 em is good. Now you can see the button is round, and what should I do? Just go to the button and align left. You can choose custom style for the button and choose the button background color, button background color to red, and button border color to red, and here goes the button border radius, and set it to 100 pixel, and text, get in touch. So how can we change the text? Just come here on the content and go to the text, and here you will see the button text. I'm just going to write get in touch. Well, on the other hand, you can go to the design tab again and go to the title. We can make it like that. Okay, I think I have completed the first slide, this one. Now I'm just going to add another slide. Okay, what I'll have to do, hit save, and it shows me the option to add new slide. Okay, hit this button to add new slide, and this time I will add this slide. Okay, go to the design part and go to the content part and background. This time I will use gradient color. Okay, here it is, and here you can see the color is bluish. So this time I will choose this color, bluish. Okay, and direction, I'm going to make it 90 degree. Angle will be 90 degree. Okay, but a bit bluish color. Here it is. Okay, I'm just going to add this image. Scroll up, and here you can see image and video option. I'm just going to use an image and upload image, select image. I'll add this image, open. Okay, choose an image, and here you see. Okay, now what I will do, I will just style the title, content, and the button. Okay, let's see how to do this. I'm just going to go to the design tab and title, and I'm just going to choose the font family to Montserrat, and I'm just going to make it to bold. Okay, and go to the text setting, body text, again the font family, and go to the button, use custom style for the button background color red, border color red, and border radius 100 pixel, and the text is get in touch. Go to the content, go to the text, change the button here, button text here, get in touch. Okay, so here it is. Now I'm just going to save this. Okay, I'm just going to capitalize the title and go to the design, title text, and click here. So I think I have almost completed with the second slide, and this time I'll add the video background for the slide. Okay, what I'm going to do, just click on the save button and now hit this button to add new slide, and here you can see background. This time I'll add background video as background. Just click on this button to add video, upload file, select file. I will add this video. Okay, and upload a video. Here it is, and the video has a background color. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll just go to the design tab and see overlay, use overlay background color. I just used a bit something like this. Okay, and make it transparent, Okay, so let's see the full video documentation. I'm just going to change the content, alignment. Go to the alignment first, center, sorry, not alignment. Go to the content and go to the text, and here I will write full video documentation, and what should I do, pause the video, and button text will be was the video. Okay, now get back to the design tab, and now title text, font family will be Montserrat, it will be bold, and you can make it capitalized, sorry, uppercase, and text alignment left. Go to the body text alignment left, and change the font family to Montserrat, and you can change the body font size, line height. Okay, just and go to the button design, use custom design, and okay, button background color will be, sorry, button background color will be red, border color red, border radius. Okay, now I'm just going to button alignment left. Here it is, hit save, and I'm just going to now I'm just going to save it, hit on save, and preview the page in a new tab, and here you can see the new slider. Okay friends, I think I could show you how to create a beautiful full width slider with Divi theme. And if this video helped you, please don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.